Today we're at Epcot's Food and Wine Festival and we're taking you guys along for the ride.
We're ready to eat, but most importantly, drink around the world. Let's go!
We started off with a bang. We went all out in Mexico.
We got the chilaquiles con chorizo and the ribeye tacos, and OMG, the ribeye tacos, they were amazing.
For cocktails, we got La Clásica Reyes Margarita and El Tigre. The El Tigre is a pineapple, prickly pear, ginger, hibiscus salt margarita. Of course, we had to make a pit stop at the cute bar that's located inside the Pyramid of Mexico. The moment we got inside, we ordered some tequila flights.
You're getting these ones. This is the blanco, ámbar reposado, y tromba añejo.
Wildest thing on the menu, el alebrije. Pepe, tell them what's in it.
Gin, mezcal, tequila, passion fruit.
Wow, the alcohol.
See, you're gonna feel it.
Woo!
Love it. Come see Bomaro and Pepe in Mexico and Epcot.
Oh my God.
We found ourselves in Germany.
We started off with the Schinkendoodle. This is a pasta gratin with ham, onions, and a whole lot of cheese.
And then we had their apple strudel. This is delish. Came with a vanilla sauce. I like that one. We found a grapefruit beer.
I loved it.
So good.
So yummy.
Be on the lookout for the princesses. Make sure you snap a pic. They are always making their way around the world. We got everything off of China's menu. We got the pan-fried chicken dumplings that came with a sweet and spicy sauce. We got the beef bao buns. Yum! Then we got the crispy fried pepper shrimp.
I enjoyed that thoroughly. Next up, Italy. It is time to mangia.
We got two different raviolis here. We got the breaded mozzarella filled ones with the pomodoro sauce. And then we got a chicken Alfredo ravioli, that one was my jam. So we made it to Japan, so you know what that means? It's time for some sushi. We got their spicy Hakko sushi roll. This is a spicy tuna and salmon box style roll served with some crunchy red tempura and volcano sauce. Then we got their teriyaki chicken bun. This thing was like a cloud.
The tempura shrimp sando, crunchy shrimp served over yuzu crab. So delicious.
The cocktail that we had was the Kochi lemon drop. Yes, please.
We made a little pit stop at the Tangerine Cafe inside Morocco, and we got beef tenderloin kebabs over some couscous. They were delicious. And then we got some dessert. We got a pistachio cake.
That pistachio cake is what dreams are made of.
Honestly, it looked like a piece of art.
If you're in the mood for some Greek, Greece had a Greek spinach pie. They had a griddled cheese. It's served with pistachio and honey, which is nothing like an American grilled cheese, I'll tell you that. We stopped in France to visit Remy and we got their two cocktails, the strawberry mimosa and then their passion martini slushy.
The best. Then we dove into their 3-cheese beignet deliciousness. And then we got a little crazy and tried something snaily.
We're about to eat the escargot croissant. Cheers. Okay. There's definitely so much garlic in here. You can smell the garlic as you're walking up to the booth. So if you like garlic, this is for you.
This is really good.
And it's
really good.
The escargot is giving me a mushroom texture.
Yeah.
Like a garlicky mushroom moment.
Don't be scared of it. It's really good. Do it. And of course, we had to make a pit stop at a pub in England for some shots.
Be sure to go to Rose and Crown and check out Chris the bartender. He's the best. We loved him.
Shout out to Chris.
We're in Canada, eh? We got the cheddar and bacon soup. That was delicious. I can literally drink a gallon of this. It comes with a pretzel bun, good. And then we got their filet mignon. Okay, Canadians, I didn't know y'all know how to make steak.
That was delicious. And when you're done with that, be sure to check out the hidden waterfall. Next stop is Australia. We started off with the sweet and spicy shrimp.
Then we had to have their lamb chop. It came over as sweet potato puree, melted in your mouth. Then at the Swanky Saucy Swine, we got some ribs. Those were perfection. And then we got their bourbon Bloody Mary. I think that this is the cutest cocktail so far. Believe it or not, I've actually never tried a bourbon Bloody Mary. So here's a first for me. Cheers. Oh, and she's good. It has a bacon garnish in there. You can definitely taste the bacon. And then they use Woodford Reserve in this cocktail. And if you know bourbon, that's a good one. Cheers. We conquered Epcot's Food and Wine. I hope that this video helped you to know what to get when you come and visit. Bianca, what was your favorite dish?
I would say my favorite dish was the Asian buns.
The buns were really good.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go with Canada, the filet mignon, and their soup, that bacon soup.
Oh my God, yes. Yes,
With
yes,
the pretzel.
yes.
So good.
Woo!
My favorite drink is gonna have to be the frozen martini from France.
Amazing. 10 out of 10.
So fresh.
I forgot about that one. That was
was
also
a
my
good
favorite
one.
too.
That was a good one. Until next year. Peace.
You did it!